This is a 24-foot 2010 Itasca Navion with one slide for the price of $44,995. I would classify this rig as a B+. I will go ahead and read this from the website. This has a 3.0L V6 Mercedes-Benz diesel on a Sprinter chassis, one slide-out, Onan propane generator, one ducted air conditioner, double-door gas, 110-volt Norcold refrigerator, automatic main awning and side awning, 3 solar panels, outside speakers, TV, DVD player, outside shower, microwave, and 3-burner range. Packs quite a bit in that little bitty unit. I actually looked it up to see if it had a generator on it. And those little bottom panels there, well, we'll look at the top first, the slide topper. And the little bottom panel there, I don't know quite where the generator is on that, but sometimes those are storage. And there's the rear view of it. The spare tire is attached to the back of the rig. It does have a ladder to get up onto the roof with. And you might notice something a little unique on this rig in a minute that you don't see very often. And right there it is. Do you know what that is? That is a Genturi. Genturi. You attach it to, okay, now I know where the generator is. You attach it to your generator exhaust pipe. And then it has more stacks to it, but those are stored inside in a bag. And when you use it, you add them on. And then it stacks it above the roof. No fumes. Some places require that you have those if you're planning on using your generator. There's the water heater, furnace, outside electrical, some more storage. Those little panels underneath, a lot of those are just storage. Now let's enter. We have 2 slide-out steps, and then 2 more step-ups to go inside. This little rig is in amazing condition for a 10-year-old rig. We'll pan around a little bit here. We'll enter the kitchen area. There's the 3-burner stove, the microwave, which may be a convection oven also. Yes, I believe it is. It does not have an oven. Usually if they don't have ovens, they have a convection microwave. Cabinetry. Actually, there's a nice little workspace there too. Prep area. Inside the cabinets. This is a rear kitchen model. And I knocked on that to see why it's not being utilized for more storage. And then when I took the panel off, I could see all the plumbing and such there. That's really kind of handy that they did that. Here's the bathroom area. Small little bathroom on it, but it'll do. And actually there is a little bit of room on the countertop too for a few things. Two cabinets, just a regular mirror, and a fantastic fan in the bathroom to vent. And actually a pretty decent sized shower. And for the record, I am using a wide angle lens. Otherwise we wouldn't be able to get much viewing in with the normal lens. Okay, moving on to the front area, the overhead bed. Window on each side, which allows for cross breezes. And they're storing the extra table on top of that. Place to mount the ladder. Look at the cockpit area. Since this is on a Mercedes, I'm sure that those seats are probably leather. For a 10-year-old rig, if they were pleather, they wouldn't be in good condition. In the corner there, where I'm pointing, there is the rest of the Genturi in a bag, but you can't see it because it's too dark. And a comfortable chair and a little table that slides up beside the chair, cabinetry above. And check that out. That is a skylight. It has two slide screens. One is for privacy, the other one is for shade. And then you can open up completely just to have the regular skylight view. It's pretty cool. There's the cabinetry above the sofa, and a nice size sofa. This rig was super clean. It's like a very comfortable rig. Ducted air. Entertainment center is over there in the corner with the cabinets above it. Moving on in towards the center. Yes, there's the entertainment center there. Partially carpeted and partially linoleum. Thermostat, control panel, generator, solar controller, slide button. Yep, all the controls are right there on that wall. And the gauges and everything too, for your tanks and such. It's a cabinet. Small closet, that's what that is. Drawer under the closet, and then your fuse box under that. Fuse panel. Showing you the lights, speakers, and ducted ceiling. The Norcold refrigerator. And there's a towel rack on the back of the door, bathroom door. This is pretty nice. Everything's packed in nicely in this little rig. Do a little 360 here. Although you don't get a dinette, you get that chair there with a table that pulls out, and there's a table laying on the bed that would go into the floor, probably in front of the sofa. Thank you for watching, and live the life you love.